Good morning. Today in this class we shall study about the nomenclature of carboxylic acid and other functional group. First we have to discuss about the nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is one of the functional group which is linked with alkyl group to form a large number of compounds. So in this class we all have to study about the classification of organic compound on the basis of functional group as well as a nomenclature of different types of functional group. In previous classes we have learnt about the IUPAC nomenclature of alcohol and aldehyde, but in this class we have to study about the nomenclature of carboxylic acid and other functional group. This is the title for the nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids are also known as fatty acids. So we have to draw 7 different columns. In all these columns different names will be given. This is the class. FG means functional group, GF means general formula. This column, for example, this is the common name and IUPAC name. This is an international name. This will be the structure of the respective compound. Carboxylic acid is a class. Since we have learnt in previous classes like alcohol is another class, aldehyde is also another class. Similarly, carboxylic acid is also another type of class. So carboxylic acid is a special class and the IUPAC name of carboxylic acid is alkanoic acid. That can be used for IUPAC nomenclature in this column. This is the FG. FG stands for functional group. Functional group of carboxylic acid is bond COOH, or we can write in the form of a structure in this way. Because carbon is tetravalent element and oxygen has 2 bonds, so in this way we can write the structure of carboxylic acid and its functional group like this. General formula: this bond is linked to alkyl group. An alkyl group is such a type of group that can be obtained by the removal of one hydrogen atom from alkane. The group is called alkyl group. It is denoted by R. So this is the alkyl group. In case alkyl group is linked, this will be the general formula of carboxylic acid. This column is for example. First we take hydrogen in place of alkyl group, because hydrogen is not alkyl group. But alkyl groups are methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyne, like this. This is methyl group, ethyl group, propyl group, butyl group. But in this case, we see that one of the carbon atom present in the carboxylic acid group, in the functional group like COOH, only one carbon atom is present. So one of the carbon is already present in this compound. So we have to first put a hydrogen atom to form a single compound, that is a formic acid. In case we have to put a hydrogen in place of alkyl group, the first compound is so obtained. The name of such compound is formic acid. This is the common name. An IUPAC name for this compound is methanoic acid. Methane for one carbon, because only one carbon atom is present, and the IUPAC name of carboxylic acid is alkanoic acid, and in the alkane group one carbon is for methane, so the IUPAC name of such compound is methanoic acid and the structure will be like that. This formic acid has been named as scientists first isolated such type of compound like formic acid from red ant, and we call red ant in Latin language as formica. That is why the name of such compound have been given as formic acid. This is formic acid. So the main purpose of giving the name of such compound as formic acid with the help of the red ant, and we call red ant in Latin word as formica. That is why scientists have named such type of compound as formic acid. And IUPAC name in a special system according to IUPAC name of carboxylic acid, we see that it is alkanoic acid. So only one carbon is present. So one carbon is called methane. So this will be the methanoic acid. In case of 2 carbon atom, this will be the ethanoic acid. In case of 3 carbon atoms, propanoic acid. In case of 4 carbon atom, it will be butanoic acid. In case of 5 carbon, it will be pentanoic acid. In case of 6 carbon atom, you can write hexanoic acid. In case of 7 carbon atom, we can write it as heptanoic acid. In case of 8 carbon atom, you can write as octanoic acid. So this is the formic acid. See, we see that if hydrogen is put in place of alkyl group, then the compound will be formic acid. We have already learnt about that a certain functional group which contains carbon atom, then in this case we have to put only hydrogen atom to form the first compound. In case we have to put hydrogen atom in place of alkyl group, then the name of such compound starts from 3 letters, that is FOR, that is the formic acid. In case of aldehyde, we have seen that is formaldehyde. In case of amide, we will write as formamide. So we can say that hydrogen atom can be given in place of alkyl group, then the first 3 letter for the naming of such compound is FOR. So this is the formic acid. And the main purpose of giving the name as formic acid, because this formic acid has been derived from the Latin word formica, and it is first isolated from red ant, and red ant is called as formica in Latin language. That is why scientists have given the name of such compound as formic acid. And this is methanoic acid. This is according to the IUPAC name of carboxylic acid. Since the IUPAC name of carboxylic acid is alkanoic acid, so one carbon is present and one carbon is for methane. That is why the name of such compound is methanoic acid. In case we put CH3, that is methyl group, so the CH3COO, this will be the acetate group. That is why the name of such compound is as acetic acid. And acetic acid is present in vinegar, that is called acetum. That is why the name of such compound is given as acetic acid. In order to write the IUPAC name of any compound, first we have to count the number of carbon atoms. In this compound, 2 carbon atoms are present and ethane for 2 carbon atoms. That is why the IUPAC name of carboxylic acid is alkanoic acid. So the total number of carbon are found to be 2, and 2 carbon atoms are generally considered as ethane. So it will be ethanoic acid. In case of 3 carbon atom, propanoic acid. In case of 4 carbon atom, this will be butanoic acid. In case of 5 carbon atom, this will be the pentanoic acid. These are the IUPAC name of the respective compounds. In case we have to put ethyl group in this compound, so total number of carbon are found to be 3, and 3 carbon is for propane. So the common name of such compound is propionic acid, and the IUPAC name will be propanoic acid. In case we put propyl group in place of alkyl group, then the compound will be C3H7COOH. This is the carboxylic acid group and propyl group. The total number of carbon are found to be 4. So the name of such compound is butyric acid. This is the common name. Why butyric acid is named as common name? Because butyric acid is found in butter, and we call butter as butrum in Latin word. That is why the name of such compound is given as butyric acid, and the IUPAC name will be butanoic acid. This is based on alkanoic acid, because 4 carbon atoms are present. We call 4 carbon atom as butane, so the name of such compound is butanoic acid. Similarly, in case we have to put C4H9, that is the butyl group, so the total number of carbon atom are found to be 5, and 5 carbon atom is known as pentane. So the name of such compound is pentanoic acid, and IUPAC name also is pentanoic acid. in case we put more and more carbon atom like C5H11 COOH, then the name of such compound is hexanoic acid. This will be hexanoic acid, and similar in this case heptanoic acid, hexanoic acid. Hexanoic acid, and the structure will be like that. This is the structure of functional group, and a large number of carbon atoms will be added in left side. So the number of carbon atom has been given, and carbon is tetravalent element. In order to fulfill the tetravalency nature of carbon, every hydrogen atom has been given for every covalent bond. So a structure will be completed. In case of hexyl group, 6 carbon atoms are present, and one of the carbon in case of carboxylic acid group, the total number of carbon is found to be 7. So both the names will be heptanoic acid. In case of 8 carbon atom, that will be the octanoic acid. In case of 9 carbon atom, the name of such compound is nonanoic acid. In case of 10 carbon atom, the name of such compound is decanoic acid. So these all are the IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acid, as well as the common name, example, functional group. In this way, we see that the naming of carboxylic acid is done according to this column. All these 7 columns have different names, different structure, and different topics. So all these can be understood in a easily manner. So we have to draw 7 different columns. The first column is for class, that is carboxylic acid is one of the class. Similarly, ketone is another class. So aldehyde, ether, ester, these all are different classes. So in group of class we can write carboxylic acid, this is the IUPAC name. Fg is for functional group, Ga for general formula. This is the example, common name, and IUPAC name, that will be the structure. In this way, we see that the naming of carboxylic acid is done like that. So I request you to, all of you, to understand clearly this topic. In case any problem created, you can comment for this, and we shall further improve your difficulties, so I can discuss about another functional group and naming of different functional group. This is the nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Another functional group is alkyl halide, so we can write nomenclature of alkyl halide. Nomenclature of alkyl halides. We write 7 different columns like previous functional groups to write the name of alkyl halides. This column is for class name. This is Fg, it means functional group. This column is for Gf, it means general formula. This is the example. This column is for common name and IUPAC name. Common name. This column is for IUPAC name. and this column is for a structure. In the class name we can write alkyl halides. Alkyl halide, this is the class name, and IUPAC name of alkyl halide is haloalkane. Haloalkane, this is the IUPAC name that we have to retain in the bracket. The functional group of such compound is bond X. X means halogen, it means chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. General formula is Rx. R is the alkyl group. Example is CH3X. This is the example. We can understand these 7 different columns one by one. This is the title, it means nomenclature of alkyl halides. This column is for class, FG means functional group, and GF stands for general formula. This is the column for general formula. This is example, common name, IUPAC name. This is an international name. The full form of IUPAC is International Union of Pure in Applied Chemistry. This is a structure, it means a structure formula of the respective compounds. Functional group is bond X. This bond will be linked with alkyl group. An alkyl group is such a group that can be obtained by the removal of only one hydrogen atom from any alkane group, like methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl. Since no any carbon atom present in the functional group, so we can put methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, not hydrogen in a single compound. So we can start giving the value of R as methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl. This is methyl and this is halide. The common name will be methyl halide. Methyl halide. This is the common name of such compound. And IUPAC name will be haloalkane. And in place of alkane only one carbon is present. So one carbon is for methane. So the IUPAC name of such compound is halomethane. Halomethane. This is the IUPAC name and the structure will be like that. So one compound is completed with its common name and IUPAC name as well as example, general formula, etc. Rx. X is halogen atom. Halogen is a Greek word which means salt producer, because the group of chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine, these 4 elements and its group is generally called halogen. The word halogen is a Greek word which means salt producer. This group of elements generally react with any metal to form salt. That is why we call it as halogen. Halogen means salt producer. It is generally denoted by the letter X, and X is equal to chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. These 4 elements and its group is called halogen. So we put one by one in place of X as chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. In case we have put only X, this is methyl group and halide group, so the common name will be methyl halide. In case of IUPAC name, this is halomethane, because the IUPAC name of alkyl halide is haloalkane, and halo for X and alkane means the number of carbon atom. In case one carbon is present, so the compound will be halomethane. In case 2 carbon is present, so the compound will be haloethane. In case of 3 carbon atom, the compound will be halopropane. In case of 4 carbon atom, the compound will be halobutane. So if we put CH3Cl, this is methyl chloride. This is chloride group and this is methyl group. So the common name will be methyl chloride. Methyl chloride, and the IUPAC name will be chloromethane. Chloromethane, and the structure will be like that. In case we put CH3Br, this is methyl group and this is bromide, so common name will be methyl bromide and IUPAC name will be bromomethane. And structure will be same. We can give bromine atom in place of chlorine atom. In case C2H5X is given, this is the ethyl group and this is halide group. So the common name will be methyl halide. Methyl halide, and this is haloethane. Haloethane, this is the IUPAC name. Because the IUPAC name of the class name as haloalkane, so 2 carbon atoms are present. So in case of alkane we take as ethane because 2 carbon atoms are called ethane. This is ethyl group and this is halide group, so common name will be methyl halide and IUPAC name will be haloethane. In case we put propyl group, then halopropane. In case we put butyl group, then the compound's name will be halobutane. A structure of such compound is like that. This is the structure of ethyl halide. In case C2H5Cl is present, the name of such compound is ethyl chloride. This is the common name of such compound as ethyl chloride, and this is chloroethane. Chloroethane. In case we put C2H5Br, this is for ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide. Similarly, we can say as IUPAC name bromoethane. Bromoethane. And the structure will be like that. So we can write more and more number of compounds related to alkyl halides like ethyl bromide. In case we give in place of bromine as iodine, the compound's name will be ethyl iodide. In case we put here fluorine atom, then the name will be ethyl fluoride, and this will be fluoroethane. In case we put C4H9, this is butyl group and this is chloride. So the name will be butyl chloride. The name of such compound is butyl chloride, and this is chlorobutane. Chlorobutane, and a structure will be like that. In the last, chlorine atom has functional group and the total number of carbon atom has been given in the left side, and carbon is the tetravalent element. So in order to fulfill the tetravalency of carbon atom with hydrogen, we can write the structure of all compounds. This is the nomenclature of alkyl halide. For methyl group, we can take halide, chloride, bromide, iodide, fluoride. So in case we put only methyl in case of alkyl group, and such group can be given as chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine, so large number of compounds are to be made. The name of such compound is methyl halide. In case we put chlorine atom, the compound will be methyl chloride. In case we put here bromine, the name of the compound is methyl chloride. In case bromine atom here, so the name of such compound is methyl bromide. In case we put iodine atom, the compound will be methyl iodide. In all the cases, same thing occurred. That is why we can say that the naming of alkyl halide is very easy. And this will be exhibited with the help of these 7 different columns. In 7 different columns, every column has their special importance and their special function and a special nomenclature. This column is for functional group, this column for general formula. These all are the Rx because This is methyl group, ethyl group, butyl group. These all are the alkyl groups. So we can write Rx, we can write Rx, we can write Rx. These all are only Rx, and these all is a functional group like X. And different examples have been given in case of different alkyl groups like methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl. So if we put 10 carbon atom with X, then the name will be methyl halide, ethyl halide, propyl halide, butyl halide, pentyl halide. In case we put chlorine atom, so the name of such compounds are methyl chloride, methyl bromide, methyl iodide, in the same manner. So a large number of compounds can be obtained by using such type of system. This is the simple compounds of alkyl halide, and we can further study about the IUPAC nomenclature of alkyl halides and different functional group just after the completion of different functional group that I have written in previous classes. The total number of functional group will be 15, and this is enough for those students like ISc, BSc as well as any other classes. So not more and more type of functional groups are limited, and majority of functional group that I have been written in this class, and after naming of such all functional group, we can again write the IUPAC nomenclature of complex organic compound. So here we see that the naming of alkyl halide has been completed, and after naming of alkyl halide we can name the acid halide. This is another functional group as acid halide, and we can learn about the IUPAC nomenclature as well as common nomenclature of acid halide in the same manner. So the next functional group will be acid halide. So we can write here the nomenclature of acid halide. Nomenclature of acid halide. Nomenclature of एसिड हैलाइड. एसिड हैलाइड का नामकरण in the same manner we have to draw 7 different columns. This column is for class name of acid halide. This is for functional group, and this is for general formula. This is for example. This column is for common name, and this is for IUPAC name, and this is the structure. Acid halide is another class, so we can write in the class name column as acid halides. IUPAC name of acid halide is alkanoyl halide. Alkanoyl halide. This is the IUPAC name of the total class name as alkyl halide, acid halides. Acid halides functional group is bond COX or we can write in this way also. This is the structure of the functional group. General formula is RCOX. We can also write as RCOX. This is the same thing. Example is HCOX. We can understand again through different columns. This is the class name. FG for functional group, GF for general formula. This column is for example. This is common name. It means common name of the class name will be given here. This is IUPAC name, and this will be the structure or structure formula of the respective compounds. Functional group of acid halide is COX. We can write in this way also. This is the structure of the functional group. We can write in terms of general formula like that. This is the example. In case of functional group of acid halide, one carbon is present. So in case we put hydrogen in place of alkyl group, the first compound is so obtained. So the first compound is HCOX. This is formyl halide. This is formyl halide, because I have already told you about such type of compound in which hydrogen is added. Hydrogen is added only in such cases in which only one carbon atom is already present in the functional group. We have seen that in case of carboxylic acid, in case of aldehyde, in case of amide, one carbon atom is already present in the functional group. So only hydrogen atom is given, then the first compound is obtained. In case of such compound, in case we put a hydrogen atom, then the name of such compound start from the 3 letter like FOR, and this is the formyl halide. We have seen in case of